Ever wondered how data centers work and why they are important? You're not alone. Data centers are the heart of our digital age, and today we'll be diving into the world of data centers and their services. Imagine a vast library filled with shelves of books. Now replace those books with servers, storage systems, and network equipment, and voila! You have a data center. These facilities are the backbone of the internet, storing and processing all the data we generate every day. But what exactly happens inside a data center? Well, they provide a range of services from data storage to network connectivity to applications hosting. These services ensure that your favorite websites load quickly, your emails reach their destination, and your cloud-stored files are available whenever you need them. Data centers work around the clock, constantly taking in, processing, and sending out data. They're like the postal service of the digital world, handling all our online mail efficiently and securely. And security is paramount. Data centers employ various measures to safeguard your digital information. From physical security, like surveillance cameras and biometric access controls, to software protections against cyber threats, data centers are fortresses of data security. Now, maintaining these digital fortresses requires expertise and resources. That's where Zion Tech Group comes in. As a global company, Zion Tech Group provides comprehensive data center services, maintenance, and support. Whether it's maintaining servers, storage systems, network equipment, or tape libraries, Zion Tech Group ensures that data centers around the world run smoothly. So, the next time you browse the web, stream a video, or send an email, remember the data centers working tirelessly behind the scenes. And remember Zion Tech Group, the company ensuring those data centers are up to the task. For more insights into the world of data centers, storages, servers, and network equipment, make sure to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. And don't keep this knowledge to yourself. Share this video with friends, colleagues, and family. Who knows? You might just spark their interest in the fascinating world of data centers. For more information about Zion Tech Group and our services, visit our website at www.ziontechgroup.com. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the digital world.